Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix software installation error in Windows 11. Fail can't install. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Restart, type regedit, open registry editor. Now guys, export this registry editor. So backup this registry editor, select all and save where you want. And if you need, so you can import this registry editor by clicking file and import. Now let's start to resolve this problem. Firstly, expand HK classes root. Now in this list guys, you have to find out msi.packages, this one, msi.package, expand it. Now right click on shell and select new and key, type or run as and double click on it. Now here guys, right click on default and modify. Now guys, type validator install as, add this and symbol administrative. So type similar, install as this and symbol without space administrator, then click on OK. Now guys, here right click on run as, new and key and type command command. Now double click on command. Now right click on this default, modify. Now type this validator MSIEXEC space and slash I space this quotation mark percentage sign 1 and quotation mark, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve software installation error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.